Hey guys, today I'm going to be recording a video on some tips that you can use to AFK train in train/grind in Superpower Training Simulator. And I know I just made a video earlier today. I'm considering doing 2 videos a day, but that probably won't happen. I'm just considering it. So here I'm in my friend's VIP server. It's a lot more than last time. So the first tip I'm gonna give you, well, here's some things to help you, because I'm not just gonna say it, I'm gonna show you too. So we're gonna start with fish strength. I don't know why I just went down here, but even though I was already at the fish strength place. So here we have this lovely place right here, the crystal. You can, honestly, if you can afford it with your fish strength, you can go wherever you want. I'm training so hard right now to get to the blue crystal. Where the frick, where am I going? I can't even see anymore. Oh, there it is. If you can afford to go here, if you can afford to go to the other star planet things, I respect you. And even if you can't afford, I still respect you. Because, you know, you gotta respect everybody in the world. Except for robbers. You can disrespect them as much as you want. No one cares. So I'm gonna go to where I can afford to go. Which is, obviously, oh, shoot, I'm going the wrong way. I hate these stupid clouds. I wish there was a setting that you can use to, like, turn it up. So, obviously, from the last Superpower Training Simulator video, I still have the auto clicker up. I've been training a lot all night. Gemma, really? Okay, yep, she's singing now. So whatever your keybinds are, Gemma, can you stop? Can you stop? Can you sing by Layla? Can you sing by Layla? Thank you. I'm gonna real quick close. I'm gonna real quick close the door. I love you. Okay, cool. She said I love you too. She's so sweet. So here you have your auto clicker. So I'm gonna press F1, and then if you're AFK training, if you're too lazy to just take 2 seconds to unplug your mouse, I got you. Because if your mouse goes over here and it auto clicks, then that's gonna happen. So I suggest, if you don't want to take off your mouse, press F1, press Shift to put on shift lock, and wherever your mouse goes, it's still trains. Like if you're really. Okay, I love you. Good job. Can you sing by Layla? Thank you. Can you sing by Layla? Thank you. And don't eat that because that's not good. It's gonna hurt you. So wherever your mouse goes, cause it's shift lock, it's just gonna keep training. Because if I'm over here, I only get 64. As long as you're around the crystal with shift lock, I mean, it's not even just with shift lock. As long as you're super close to the crystal, if you hold right click, if you hold the right click button, then no matter what, then you're just gonna get it. But I don't think you want to hold that all day. So you know, you just like, excuse me. I will see you out. You could see yourself out of this door. Yes. Okay. Alright, okay, cool. Alright, so as long as you're just around it, it'll work. It'll just work out. So, I'm gonna do this from up to down on the list. So now we're doing body toughness. So go to wherever you can afford, and mine is just a volcano. I wish I can go to that little pumpkin place, but I just can't. I'm too weak. So, you're gonna stop flying, and you may want to do some side kick. But there's a specific, oh, it looks like I'm a lawbreaker. Oh, I am a lawbreaker. There's a specific place for sidekick. So, yeah, you're also gonna do an auto clicker. Press 2. And then now you're getting 64, or whatever your multiplier is, default, and the other one. So just keep doing that. And yeah. So I'm gonna keep doing that. Okay, now I'm done. Okay, now we're going to do... Oh, okay, I forgot my auto. Now we're gonna do movement speed. There really isn't any tips for this. Just put on weights and you're good. Oh, also to do jump force while you're doing this. You can't really AFK unless you're like... Unless you put like a controller on your W button. And then you can really AFK. Not even my controller is heavy enough. Okay. Alright, cool. And then you gotta do jump force. So, what I suggest doing, putting on your weights. Putting something heavy on spacebar all night. And then you'll just try and jump. And then the last thing, what you really have to do is psychic power. So honestly, you just go up to... This is pretty straightforward. All you gotta do is just go. But here, oh, there's quite a lot of people here. Well, a lot for me, because usually I'm just here alone. Because they're in the billions. So, I suggest flying and doing your psychic. Some people just like doing their psychic here. But wait, hold on. What? Oh, you do get the same amount. Okay. There's no really tips. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here. I just wanted to give you some quick tips to train your stuff. So, goodbye. I will see you next time.